Let me show you one of the easiest natural drinks you can make at home. Lemon ginger water. It's simple, powerful, and I drink it almost every morning. Here's how I make it. Start by slicing about an inch of fresh ginger. No need to peel it. Add it to a small pot with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for about 10 minutes to really pull out the nutrients. After that, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly, just enough so it doesn't destroy the vitamin C. Then squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. That's it. You can drink it warm or chill it and keep it in the fridge. Lemon ginger water is great for digestion, immune support, and even helps reduce inflammation. And the best part? It gives you a clean energy boost without caffeine. Try this first thing in the morning and see how it makes you feel. It might just become your new daily ritual.